Hello friends, welcome back to Quantum Tech Lab. I'm Luna and in today's tutorial, I'll guide you how to change the notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy S26 or S26 Ultra. Open the Settings app. This is the main control center of your device where you can manage features like display, notifications, sounds, privacy, security, and network connections. Next, scroll down slightly and tap on Sounds and Vibration. This section allows you to control your ringtone, notification sounds, system sounds, and vibration settings. Now see the notification sound option and tap on it. You'll see a list of available notification tones. Scroll through the list and tap on any sound to preview it. When you tap a sound, your phone will play the short sample, so you can hear how it sounds before selecting it. Once you find the tone you like, simply tap on it again to select and set it as your new notification sound. The change will apply instantly. Thanks for joining Quantum Tech Lab, where we make technology simple and practical. Don't forget to check back for more helpful Samsung tips and easy tech guides.